Bryan Dyer here from Trident Cryo. What we're going to do today is we're going to go to two locations, a gas location and an electric location, to investigate temp claims. I just want to find out, and I want to get the industry out there to stop lying about temp claims. It's unnecessary. All the machines are roughly about the same. We're lying about the temps. Let's see what happens. Like all nitrogen machines, they're all basically designed the same. There's a liquid to gas diffuser on this side of the wall, and right here is your thermostat. This thermostat is telling us what that temperature is there. But this thermostat is obviously not where the human is standing. So what we're doing here is we're gonna have a thermostat hanging right here, which is where the human would be, which I feel is the most important temperature to tell the customers. It's important to tell us what is the human feeling that's standing right here. So we're just gonna put this slide back on there, we're gonna run a session, and we're gonna see what it reads. I'm gonna put the details to this very industry standard thermostat right here, the Reed C2370, and we're gonna tell what it is. It's uncalibratable, it's sealed completely, so I can't mess with it, and we're gonna see what it tells us here in about 2.5 minutes. Let's go! I haven't been in a gas chamber in so long. I'm holding it right next to my chest. See how I'm holding it? Yeah. See, we're at 48 here. See this? Bryan Dyer with Trident Cryo. Back talking about temperature claims. Now we're here at an electric location. Of course, it's my Trident. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to guide you through the misconceptions of the room temperature itself. Us in the electric world, our thermostats are called thermocouples. They're located up in the coil or anywhere throughout the cooling system. These thermocouples are not an indication of the temperature in the room. I've hung a thermostat inside this machine. The thermostat's dangling down in the middle. We're gonna take a walk in there and take a look at it so you can see the location. But I feel this is the only way to give an accurate temperature claim. Do your temperature check on the chest, and then when you come back out, do the exact same thing. The extremities are easy to get cold. Get the chest cold, get the core cold. 30 seconds in the pre-chamber, 3 minutes in there. Let's see what the skin temperature does. .40 skin temperature drop. Tell me you need to lie about your 300 degrees below zero stuff. It's a lie. Stop lying. Peace.